At the end of the 15th century, syphilis, a sexual transmitted disease, took its stage in our world, and it didn't take long before people were showing off their symptoms. Oh yes, syphilis became very popular under a lot of people, and especially the nobility. It showed that you had a lot of sexual experience. A century earlier, the brigette became in fashion. Males of nobility started to wear tight pants, but their male member was decorated in a pouch, what we call a brigette. Syphilis made this brigette even more popular, and because of syphilis, the member was packed in bandage. The brigette became bigger and bigger, and even males that didn't have the STD started to wear bigger brigettes. But soon, people started to see that having syphilis wasn't always fun. The family line of the French and British royal houses almost died out in the 16th and 17th century because syphilis made sure the royals weren't as fertile anymore. The popularity took a downward turn. It became a sport to hide your syphilis symptoms. In 1644, King Louis XIV started to lose his hair. Being only 17 years old, this was a disaster for the king, and he became a trendsetter in wearing wigs. Although the king didn't suffer from syphilis himself, the disease did cause baldness. It wasn't weird that a lot of people caught up on the trend. The wigs of some ladies were so big that they caught on fire, bumping into a chandelier. People started to powder their faces to hide their symptoms, and what they couldn't hide with powder, they hid with pieces of fabric, or worse, mice skin. One rumor was that the court of Louis XIV was rife with syphilis. A thing syphilis does is damaging the joints of your fingers, and it was here at the court where people lost control over their pinky. In the 20th century, finally, the medicine penicillin made a stop to syphilis. And well, the rest is history.